Melasma and its treatment modalities. So let's discuss how can we treat melasma. First of all, let's see what you can do to prevent melasma. First of all, application of sunscreen is of paramount importance. So you have to apply sunscreen if you go outside or even if you stay indoors, good quantity, and starting from nowadays 8 a.m. till 6 p.m. So if you are out and the sunscreen's effect stays for around 3 to 4 hours, you have to repeat the application. Then secondly, you have to cover your face, or you have to take a broad rimmed hat if you're going outside or staying outdoors for a longer period of time. Then if you talk of medical treatment, you can use various lightening agents. These days, kojic acids, alpha-arbutin. You can ask your doctor about variety of treatments which are available. Retinol-based creams, you can say kojic acid, alpha-arbutin, and there are many new molecules which are non-steroidal and which can be used to lighten this pigmentation. So if we talk of the procedures which we can do to lighten the melasma, first stands the chemical peel. There are variety of chemical peels which can be used to lighten the melasma. Yellow peel is one of them. It also elevates the fine lines. So this has to be done repeated number of times. It's not that you get one peel and your melasma is gone. So you can combine these chemical peels with microneedling. Microneedling is basically a form of mesotherapy in which you inject meso solutions with microneedles. So vitamin C or kojic acid based mesotherapy is very common in treating melasma. Third modality comes the lasers, or what is popularly known as laser toning. So variety of lasers are used to decrease the pigmentation, but if the pigmentation is very deep, very deep, then the lasers are also not a very effective way of treating melasma. So epidermal pigmentation, like which we encounter, for example, we have some certain skin diseases and after that you develop post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. These could be effectively treated with lasers. So Q-switched lasers, and secondly we have this erbium doped glass laser, popularly known as resurfax laser. It is also used to treat dyschromias. So this is the third modality. Then fourth modality, which is very popular, is Cosmelan peel. It is a single session peel. All you have to do is that you have to book an appointment and then the peel is applied to your face, and after that a post peel solution is given to the patient. So it takes about 2 to 2.5 months for the full results to appear, but the lightening starts within 15 days. It's a deep peel and you have to take quite a lot of precautions after doing this peel. So in a nutshell, melasma can be treated with these modalities. These modalities can be combined, like you can say you can have 2 sessions of yellow peel and 2 sessions of lasers, so that spaced like 2 weeks or 3 weeks apart, and they give good results. And if you take the precautions of applying sunscreen and lightening agents properly, this melasma can be encountered. I think I have cleared the doubts regarding this treatment of melasma. Still, if you have any questions, you can drop your queries in the comments below. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel.